Hello everyone! So today I brought you a best build form that will help you in development. So in the fast-paced world of software development, knowledge is power. So finding the right information, creating technical documentation, and keeping your team on the same page can be challenging. So I will introduce Spreading.ai. This is your ultimate solution with Spreading.ai. You can effortlessly convert your code into high-quality product technical documentation. So say goodbye to the hassle of manually creating docs. So you can see here, this is the Spreading.ai. So this is AI-assisted coding feature allows you to seamlessly switch between different programming languages, enhancing the quality of your documents with ease so you can cut documentation time in half with AI assistant writing. So you can see here, this is how Spreading.ai works. So in step 1, generate a directory. Step 2, generate a doc from code. Step 3, code with AI. Step 4, improve writing and finish. You can publish your doc, so you can write tutorials, quick started documentation, and many other references. API reference error codes, change log, with the help of this AI tool. Also, Spreading.ai offers real-time collaborative editing, enabling multiple users to work on the same document efficiently create document outlines with just a few clicks. Spreading.ai streamlines the process, saving your time and effort. So this will also help you to enhance your documentation with multimedia. Easily add pictures, videos, links, tables, and more to make your content informative so you can see her. Code, divider, callout, internal or external link image code, block. You can also your code in your documentation or tutorial or your quick start that you will create with the help of Spreading.ai. So keep your knowledge organized. With directory arrangements and document categories, finding what you need has never been this simple. So Spreading.ai is free. You can sign up for free and you can use it and you can create your own. With directory arrangements and document categories, finding what you need has never been this simple. So Spreading.ai is free. You can sign up for free and you can use it and you can create your own. Documentation, tutorials, quick start, or any other reference docs. So it will also help to update and synchronize changes with ease, ensuring your content is always up to date. So there is many features you can use to create your own documentation and many other docs. So I will also show you how you can use it. So first of all, you have to sign up. It is free, so you can create your account with also Google. So wait for it, so you can give your workspace name here. So this is a dashboard of Spreading.ai. So you can also add a project or add a page here. So I will just add a page. So I will tell you how it works. And how you can rename this, or you can add a title here. First, we did this, so you can generate outline here or generate doc from code. So for example, I have this code. This is a few line code of Flutter, and so this is the tutorial, and I will select dot because it is a Flutter and paste here, so you can generate from here. So doc is generating from code. So you can see here my simple tutorial documentation is ready. So this is our view, an important import statement, main function, my class Aper constructor build method. So you can see here, I just give it a few lines of code and it generates automatically. This is this documentation, so you can use it. It is very beneficial for developers. So I will create another. So I will generate outline, so you can select our view, Quick Start User Guided, Tutorial, API Doc, or others. So I will Quick Start Developers. How to install Flutter in Windows. So you can see here it gives me a quick start guide on installing Flutter on Windows. So this is Introduction. Downloading Flutter, setting up Flutter, configuring Flutter. So you can see it gives me the outline for installing Flutter on Windows. So you can see here how it is very beneficial for developers that you can write quick start documentation tutorials and many other. So I will select Tutorial in the What is Flutter in Doubt. So this is how it will work. So I'm just showing you how you can use it. And you can also take many benefits from this. So it's giving me some outline for what is Flutter in Doubt. So you can see here. And you can also add codes, images, video links, code block. Table. And there is many features of in this reading here. So let me show you another example. Generate outline, and it will be quick start for developers. How to integrate Zico Cloud SDK with Flutter to make a video calling app. So you will see the magic how it will generate the outline to integrate Zico Cloud with Flutter. So you can see here how it creates a quick start guide to integrate Zico Cloud, SDK with Flutter for Vite, video calling app so you can see here.